Guess who's back? Tayshawn Miller, and let's just jump right into this video. Y'all know how I do it. So I will be showing you guys how to turn, look at me already, y'all. Turn a portion of your wall into a Lord have mercy, DIY wig stand wall. Let's get started. Yes, girl, we are using items from the Dollar Tree, honey. So right now, I'm just showing you exactly what I'm using. I did get this out the picture frame section, honey. And I'm knocking on wood to just show you how nice and firm it is, girl. Yes, it will hold up your wigs with mannequins. I also purchased some contact paper, which I decided to not use. So to install my shelves, girl, I'm going to use some command strips. It says it holds up to 9 pounds. Definitely, boo-boo, none of my wigs and none of y'all wigs should be no 9 pounds. So this definitely should work. So here's my little princess punch here, and she's painting my boxes because I wanted them to be black to go with the area. I will say that the underside colored very, very well. It took, but the outer side, because it's like a picture frame, it didn't take so well, so I had to spray clear on top. However, I'm thinking you can rough it up with sandpaper and it'll take a lot better. I didn't have time to do that, honey, so yeah, you're gonna get what I'm gonna give right now. And that's blotchy acrylic paint on one side, period. So I did decide to put some of the boxes together because I was going to do a long shelf, but then I turned out not liking it. So I'm just showing you guys, though, if you wanted to do that method to make like a long floating shelf, you can most definitely, because as you can see, the nails will go straight through. So now I am about to put up the first shelf. Definitely it is important that when you're putting up your shelves that you go ahead and get one of your mannequins and stack it and then put the other one on top if it makes sense, because if you don't, then you won't have enough space. And with the command strips, once you stick them on, girl, if you pull them off, it's going to pull off the paint, and you really don't want that to happen. I didn't want that to happen. I won't pull these off until I'm leaving this place. So as you can see, this first one I put up, I'm real mad about it because I put the command strip on backwards, which left the end of it sticking out. So it's going to trigger me every time I see it. It is what it is. I can't take that down, so whatever. But I did make sure that the rest of them, I put them up there correctly, and I put the tabs on the inside of the box instead of on the outside of the box. That way they wouldn't stick out. So guys, this is my finished product. I absolutely love it. You guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this. Also, let me know, guys, since I'm back, what videos you would like to see. I don't know if you guys saw in the little right-hand corner, but I have lots of boxes. Those are boxes from different various companies where I will be doing videos and reviews and things like that. So please make sure that you are subscribed and that you do have on your notifications for my channel. And if you are subscribed, you may want to unsubscribe and then subscribe again, because I know that people have been having issues with getting my notifications. So yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. I love you all. Can't wait to get the channel back popping. I love you all. God bless, and I'll see you soon.
TikTok. Okay, I'll do it. Tick tock. Tick tick tock. Tick. I like